The automotive industry in the U.S. is one of the largest in the world with a total of 17.2 million light vehicles sold in 2018. Despite the forecasted drop to 16.9 million units for 2019, records show that there is no significant change to the national employment of automotive engineers in the United States. Here is below automotive engineering programs in the USA. 1. Automotive Technology, Mount Hood Community College, United States. 2. Diesel Technology Program, Clark State Community College in Springfield, United States. Clemson University. Clemson University is a public research university in South Carolina founded in 1889. Students can earn a Master of Science, MS, in automotive engineering that combines intense technical studies and strong engineering science-based skills. Kettering University. The university's Mechanical Engineering Department offers a Master of Science in Engineering, MSc, with a concentration in automotive systems. Students can choose from two plans. Plan A requires coursework, research, and a thesis, and Plan B requires coursework only. Lawrence Technological University. The university's MS in Automotive Engineering is designed to develop a student's engineering skills while providing mastery of the entire vehicle. Students are required to complete a 30-credit-hour program consisting of core courses and elective courses or a thesis. Some of these courses are applied thermodynamics, body and chassis systems, hybrid electric vehicles, automotive mechanical systems, and vehicle dynamics.
Oh, hey! My name is Adam. I'm an automotive engineering student at the University of Hertfordshire. Let me tell you more about my student experience. During my first year, I learned how to make 3D designs on CATIA software. This was useful right away when I started working on my first group project, building a mobile vehicle launcher. Once the computer design and technical drawings were completed, my group and I started the build. This took over 4 weeks to complete, but at the end, we delivered a fully functional model. But that's not the only fun stuff you get to do as an engineering student at Hertz. There's the flying simulator, driving simulator, CNC-equipped workshops, 3D printers, Formula Student Racing Team, and much more.
How much can you earn as an automotive engineer? It's not easy to get an automotive engineering degree. You have to put a lot of effort. First of all, if you're not into math and logical thinking, then engineering isn't for you. As an automotive engineer, you have plenty of job opportunities, but just like in any other industry, it's really tough at the beginning, especially if you don't have any working experience. To gain experience at first, it would be highly recommended to attend to internships or even to work as a volunteer. On average, a junior automotive engineer should expect anywhere from 1,200 to 1,700 euros per month, but it really depends on the country that you live in. Unfortunately, Romania has a low GDP and salaries are also much lower compared to other countries in Europe. As a junior automotive engineer in Romania, you should expect anywhere from 300 to 600 euros per month. I believe you can also expect around $1,500 per month in the United States. When you gain at least 3 years of experience in this industry, things start to change. At this point, you should be seeing over 2,000 euros per month in Europe and over $2,500 in the United States. I think the average salary as an automotive engineer around the world is around $2,500, which isn't too much in my opinion. You can make a decent living, but it won't make you a millionaire, so keep that in mind. I would say that the maximum salary that you could earn as an automotive engineer is around $15,000 per month. However, this happens only if you are in elite positions. If you're a chief senior designer at BMW or a chief senior project manager at Lamborghini, you should be expecting this salary. These kind of jobs are rare, so if you want to get rich quickly, then you should be studying something else. The most common jobs that I've seen for automotive engineers are designers in computer-aided design, quality checkers, logistics, or you could work at a car dealer or a car workshop. In Romania, if you have an automotive engineering degree, you have the rights to work as an MOT tester like I do.